Let's now look at the pin button at the bottom right corner of the image. We can use the pin to set a point in time. For example, if an event occurred in the parking lot at this exact time and we want to view it from a different angle. To do so, we can use the pin to specify the time and then simply drag the respective cameras from the camera bar into the player. This allows us to view the recording of this camera at the same time. If we want to see what all the cameras in the parking lot group saw at the same time, all we have to do is drag the group from the group bar. This changes the view from the player to the grid player, where we can play back several cameras at the same time. We can also select the grid player by selecting a group and navigating to the grid player view. It enables us to simultaneously play back all of the cameras in the group synchronously. Operation is similar to the normal player. In addition, it is possible to drag cameras from the camera bar into the focus window of the grid player view and play them also. During export, the recordings of all the cameras in this group are stored simultaneously in a directory to be defined. The research view offers another option for research. All of the events of cameras or entire groups are displayed here in chronological order. We can launch the instant player, switch live to the group, or play back the event in the player in each event image. It is possible to change the size of the event images using the slider. We can also filter according to specific events or only display marked events. If the system is installed on a notebook and you want to connect to the cameras from different locations, it is possible to use environments to conveniently switch your settings. You can access this setting by folding the camera bar and tapping the cog wheel symbol. Our example has two environments, Office and Home Office. You select the Office environment when you're in the office and the Home Office environment when you're at home. The relevant background settings are specified by the system integrator. In the Home Office environment, it may be the case that you only have a low internet speed at home. As a result, it makes sense to reduce the bandwidth, which reduces the resolution and frame rate of the cameras. Pressing the symbol changes the program's presettings in high bandwidth, high res, low bandwidth, low res, or sound only. If you still want to see an image from the camera for sound only, you can do so by pressing this button. As with the MOBOTIX app, the low res setting activates an exclusive MOBOTIX function. By actively zooming in the image for this portion only, a higher resolution is actually displayed.